When most people think about Teen Challenge, they think of a choir that they've seen in church, and there's men or women that are singing and giving their testimonies. But Teen Challenge is really an organization that has been around for 60 years. It is now around the world in more than 120 countries. In the U.S., there's well more than 200 different locations where Teen Challenge is. Teen Challenge in Southern California was actually the third Teen Challenge organization established. We go back to 1963. We're a one-year residential discipleship program, really, that are helping people to recover from alcohol and drug abuse. People who have come through here, they're not looking at grace from a book learning standpoint. They're looking at grace because they have seen and experienced what that grace is all about. They've been to the bottom. They know what they deserve, and they know what God has given them instead of what they deserve. Part of what we do is to help other teen challenges around the world. It is exciting to see the impact of a single organization of Teen Challenge, which Southern California is, impact literally the world. With 23 million people in the U.S. addicted to some sort of substance, there are many, many more people than that who are impacted by that substance abuse. And there's moms and dads and children and brothers and sisters and loved ones who may have given up hope because there's been too many times when their hopes have been dashed. But in Teen Challenge, you will find a place where hope has been restored. Hope lives here. Freedom is found here, and changed lives leave here.